This is Dopo, Yokir, Pinjar's music production.
Moon shines above the highlands' night skies. Soft wind blows as I sit in silent pain. Ooh, beautiful girl. I think of the love we shared together, all the promises we declared to our families. But you walked away silently one night, left me broken with no hope and future. My soul is heavy, full of pain and loneliness. Dreams are all I see and feel every moment. Your sweet smile stays forever in my mind. Every moment since you left and forever.
I can't eat well, I can't sleep well.
Love hurts, our memories together cut my heart so deep. You desperately left for a man from your village. Strong for you, I chose to stay with you. But you turned and walked aside without a word, left me with no place to seek shelter and comfort. My love for you was